Express negative feelings. Okay, so first one. Han tahkres oram. Han tahkres oram. So I'm hungry. So the hunger is on me. Han tahkres oram. Okay, next one. Han pag oram. Pag oram. Pag oram. So thirst is on me. Pag oram. I'm thirsty. Right. Next one. Han chekalorum. So the fear is on me. Han chekalorum. Chekalorum. Right. Hanareorum. Hanareorum. Means I'm embarrassed or I'm ashamed. Hanare is shame. Hanareorum. I'm embarrassed or I'm ashamed. Okay. Next one. Ha kianalos orum. Kianalos orum. Homesickness is on me. Ha kianalos orum. Kianalos. Okay. Oh, this we already had this one. Ha krachten orum. Krachten orum. I have a cold. A cold is on me. No, krachten. Krachten. Krachten orum. Okay, and this one we also had that. Ha jejegorum. Ha jejegorum. Toothache. Ha jejegorum. Okay, and then this one. Hakurnamara orum. We already had it, maybe. Hakurnamara orum. I'm seasick. Hakurnamara orum. Okay, questions? I wil een dagkruisorst. Are you hungry? I wil een dagkruisorst. I will kianalas Ian. So asking about somebody. I will kianalas Ian. Is Ian homesick? Kianalas Ian. Okay. Oh. I see Eva is not it's not ready yet to move on to the next slide. I will kianalas Ian. Okay, good. Anel tahkras mari a hampag ore. Anel tahkras mari a hampag ore. Mari is not hungry, but she's thirsty. Anel tahkras mari a hampag ore. That was the last one. Yeah, this is the last one.